Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal, and praise the Lord to all my viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to present something special only for you. To my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to review about the ZEBSTER earphones. My dear friends, this is quite amazing. Just be with us with me. My dear friends, I just get this earphone at the price of 150 rupees, and plus I just get a 3 months warranty also in this, my dear friends. And I would like to give you one review that the sound quality is absolutely so amazing. And if you like to listen the songs in a high bass, so you can go for it, my dear friends. And absolutely this product is coming by the company warranty as well, and one of the biggest thing is that it's coming from the Zebronics. So Zebronic has present ZEBSTER earphones, so you can ask any of your retailer nearby your mobile store, or you can order as well online as well. It's available there, so you can go for this, my dear friends. And that's all, my dear friends, the review about this product and everything. I just only want you to think that do like, subscribe, and to comment my channel. And